Hello, it's AMK. Welcome to the concept classes. Yet again, another episode of physics of class 11. Here is another problem I taken from physics sector, motion in a plane of class 11, and the question number is 20. Huh? The question is the position of a particle is given by r is equal to thrice t I cap minus twice t square j cap plus 4k cap m in meter. It means m means the position is in meter, where t is in second, t is in second, and r is in meters. Clear, students? And we are to calculate what we will do. We will calculate the value of velocity and acceleration. We need to calculate value of velocity and acceleration, right? And then what is the magnitude and direction of velocity of the particle at t is equal to 2 seconds. Now students, in this case, what should we do? We have to use a part of mathematics, that is calculus, differential calculus. We must understand, we must have the knowledge of differential calculus. Differential calculus. In mathematics, you will have a vast use of differential calculus. But in physics also, differential calculus is more and more times you must have to apply it to calculate velocity and acceleration. Not only velocity and acceleration, it may be in vast terms. Use of differential calculus is vast terms. It means out of your knowledge. Imagine, out of your imagination, right? So, before going to this problem, I would like to share differentiation of a function x to the power n with respect to x is. What is the differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x? That is, differentiation of x to the power n is n into x to the power n plus 1. Differentiation of x to the power n is n into x to the power n plus 1. I will going to use this differential calculus formula to find out velocity and acceleration. Velocity and acceleration of the position vector, right? Let's start. So students, I hope you will be expert in differential calculus also. You must be expert in differential calculus, and one part of trigonometry is also used in physics. One part of trigonometry, compound angles, formula of compound angles, formula of half angles will also use in physics. Okay, and logarithm, another part, logarithm. Logarithm is important. Logarithm is also an important factor, a vital factor in case of to understand physics. Integration, another factor is integration. I will discuss it later with example. Okay. Now I am going to solve first question. First question is find the value of velocity and acceleration. Now I will write given. What is given? Given is position r is equal to thrice t I cap minus twice t square j cap plus 4 k cap. I cap, j cap and k cap all are the unit vectors. All are the unit vectors in three-dimensional coordinate geometry. That is, I cap is along x-axis, j cap is along y-axis, and k cap is along z-axis. That is this. X-axis, y-axis, z-axis. I cap, j cap, and k cap. Okay. I just given idea what where the I cap is, where from I cap is come, and j cap is come, and k cap is come. It will be calculated in calculus while you find the magnitude and direction. Okay. Now the first question is velocity. I need to calculate the velocity. To calculate the velocity, what will I do? You just, velocity is the sense of rate of sense of displacement. Rate of sense of displacement. It means I have to differentiate. I have to differentiate the position with respect to t, with respect to time, so that I can obtain the velocity of this. Okay. Now velocity v is equal to differentiation of this term, thrice t I cap minus twice t square j cap plus 4 k cap. Now the result will be, differentiation of thrice t I cap will be thrice I cap. Okay. Minus twice t square j cap. Differentiation of t square is what? Differentiation of t square is the differentiation of t square will be twice t. Okay. Then 2 into 2, 4t and j cap. And differentiation of 4 will be, differentiation, remember, differentiation of any constant is 0. Therefore, no need to calculate this. Now the velocity of the position vector will be meter per second. This is the velocity. This is the velocity of this particle, right? And another question is, how to, what will be the acceleration? What will be the acceleration of the particle if the position is this? Okay. Now to calculate, keep in mind, listen carefully, to calculate acceleration of any object, you just do differentiate the velocity. You just differentiate the velocity so that you will obtain acceleration of that object. It is very easy to understand. Okay. Now acceleration A is equal to, A is the differentiation of velocity with respect to time. Acceleration is the differentiation of velocity with respect to time. That is d by dt thrice I cap minus 4t j cap. Differentiation of 3 is 0. Therefore, this term becomes 0, and minus differentiation of t is 1. Differentiation of t is 1. Then it will be 4 j cap. Acceleration of the object is minus 4 j cap. Acceleration of the object is minus 4 j cap. Velocity is calculated, differentiation is calculated, acceleration is calculated. Now another question is, when time is 2 seconds, what will be the velocity? What will be the velocity and magnitude of the velocity? Now I will going to calculate that. Students, dv by dt at t is equal to 2. T is equal to 2. Now it will be velocity at time 2 second will be, now substitute the value of t here. Thrice I cap minus 4 into 2 j cap is equal to thrice I cap minus 8 j cap. This is the velocity. Okay. Again, what will be the magnitude of the velocity? Magnitude of the velocity will be given by, again, magnitude of the velocity v is equal to root under v square x plus v square y. Velocity along x-axis and velocity along y-axis is here. So, substituting these two value, 3 square plus 8 square is equal to root under 9 plus 64 is equal to root under 73. This is the value of magnitude of the velocity. Now, what is the value will be root under 73. Root under 73, value of root under 73, students, you can calculate an approximate value. You will have an approximate value like this. 73 plus nearest perfect square number of 73 is 81 by 2 into square root of 81. 2 into square root of 81. 73 plus 81 will be 154 by 2 into 9, 18 is equal to 8.55 like this. The value will be 8.55. Okay. Now the approximate value of the velocity will be 8.55 meter per second. Okay. Now again, direction. Again, here is another question. I need to calculate the direction. To calculate the direction, if theta is the angle, if theta is the angular projection, then tan theta is equal to Vy by Vx is equal to Vy is equal to what? Minus 8 and Vx is equal to 3. The value is minus 8 by 3. Now theta is equal to tan inverse 8 by 3. Tan inverse 8 by 3 minus tan inverse 8 by 3. It means the projection of the particle or angle between the particle is tan inverse minus 8 by 3. Right? This is the direction of that particle along with x-axis. Correct? Students, this type of question is important. This type of question is asked more and more times in the previous examination. So I hope you will do and you will take it seriously and practice more and more time at home and different perspective. Okay? Goodbye.